Hi, I'm Cole Ingram. I am a second-year Gatton student here at WKU.
My name is Chetas Chowda. I'm also a second-year Gatton student.
I am Dr. McClain. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Sociology and Criminology. I am a family sociologist, and I collected data about access to and use of paid parental leave policies. I was really looking for some students to come work with me on this project, that I could help mentor them through the research process, and then get some experience presenting their research at conferences, and also hopefully sending those papers out for publication in academic journals. As part of my sabbatical research, I collected data on access to and use of paid parental leave policies in the United States. Gatton Academy and Honors College did a research fair where faculty could go and talk to students about their research and the opportunities that they had for students to work on their research with them. I convinced them to come and work on this project with me. And the data set is a really exciting data set. Like I said, it's the first of its kind in the United States, and last semester they just sort of got to look through the questions that were asked on the data and on the survey, start doing some literature reviews on paid parental leave policies and things that they were associated with, and then each of them selected a topic from that data that they wanted to pursue in their own research papers.
And what we want to look at is how employer satisfaction and other aspects of leave taking affect how they're going to stay with their employer or whether they're going to leave.
Yeah, so we got to ask some questions on the survey about employment and at the time of birth, and things like, did they have access to paid leave, or did they have access to leave at all? Was it paid or unpaid, or things like that. And so what Chetas is looking at is how the type of leave that they took, how that's associated with whether or not they wanted to return to their employer that they were with prior to the birth of the child.
My topic was specifically focusing on paid parental leave and how it related to child health. More specifically, the preterm birth rate and the birth weight of the child at birth. I noticed during the literature reviews the common effect it had positively on child health internationally. So through the findings, I'm hoping to see that same relation shows within the U.S., showing that an increased availability of paid parental leave in the long run will lead to more positive effects upon the initial child health.
So we're getting some pretty interesting findings out of that so far.
Yeah, I would highly encourage other students who also want some kind of similar experience to what we've already said.
I would obviously recommend it to anyone that wanted to do it. It gives you an opportunity to not only understand how research is conducted, but it also challenges you to view different issues around the world in different ways.
Presenting your research is a good experience that you'll definitely need in whatever future position you'll be in. On top of that, whenever you're presenting with other researchers, you also get to meet new people.
Absolutely. I'm really excited for these guys to get to present. This week, Chetas is presenting at the Posters at the Capitol event in Frankfurt, and then both of them will be presenting at the Midwest Sociological Society meetings in Chicago. So having those opportunities to not only engage in research and see what it's all about and get that firsthand experience, that's something, those are skills that you can use in whatever discipline you're in, and having these experiences, they're good things to put on a resume. Like Cheta says, the networking of these conferences and things like that is a really important part of the academic experience. I just really think can sort of enhance the experience that you have as an undergraduate student. For any student interested in doing research, the main thing that I would recommend is just approaching your faculty members who you're taking classes from that you're interested in, asking them if they have any research that they're working on and if there's an opportunity for you to work with them. You also can get in touch with our grants office. We offer the FUSE grants, and so FUSE grants are for undergraduate students. Those are grants that a student can apply for with a faculty mentor in order to do research. But really, I would say the main way to get involved in research is just talking to the faculty that you're interested in working with.
I've certainly enjoyed this experience, and it's one I haven't had before, and being able to learn how research is conducted is something that I found really fascinating.
Showed me how it was both different and how it was something that I enjoyed, and it's something I'm hoping to do in the future.
It's really exciting for me to share a field that I'm passionate about with them.